Microbiology. The study of microorganisms or microbes are called microbiology. What are the types of microorganism and cellular or cellular, unicellular or multicellular, prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Difference between prokaryotics and eukaryotics. Prokaryotic cells are unicellular. Eukaryotic cells are multicellular. Nucleus is absent. Prokaryotic Eukaryotic nucleus is present. Prokaryotic it contains of single chromosome. Eukaryotic it contains more than one chromosome. Cell division occurs only by mitosis. Eukaryotic cell division occurs by mitosis and meiosis. And unicellular organism, multicellular organism consisted of single cell. Unicellular organism, multicellular organism consist or more than one cell. Simple body organization, unicellular organism. Complex body organization, multicellular organism, are both of related between microbiology subject.